Hi, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to talk to you about the number 7, the Full 360 Mascara. If you're like me and you don't like very heavy makeup, you are going to love this mascara. I'm going to open it up so you see the texture. It's not too heavy. You're going to see right away. It comes right away very easily. You're going to see the brush. Once you put it on your eyelashes, I want you to see how my eyelashes not only have that extended looking, I don't have long lashes at all, and they're very curl, but yet they don't look very full of mascara. They look very natural. So this is what I'm looking for my daily makeup routine. And if you're like me, I know you're gonna love it. And that's just my point of view.